To open the same Excel book twice is super easy, but also super powerful. So you can see here I have how to lock my workbook demo or my compound interest calculator demo. What you want to do here is in the ribbon here, go all the way over to the View tab. And then on the right-hand side of the View tab, there is the option here that says New Window. If we select this will open it up twice. Now, what you can do from here is also select on the View tab one more time. Then you can change the Arrange All options. You could have these windows tiled if you wanted to. That will have them split side by side. You could maximize and go Arrange All again. Maybe you want them in a horizontal view, which will put them on top of each other. My personal favorite though is really just opening both of the workbooks and then using the built-in Windows Snap feature by snapping them to the left or the right hand side and seeing them side by side like this, or of course, full screen side by side. But it is that easy to open the same Excel book twice. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to supercharge your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.